If you've seen the industry at all, we have actually a pretty small block machine. That's an advantage for us. We are still a small producer, but what that allows us is more quality control. It also allows us to switch out our mold boxes very quickly so that we can do very custom one-off jobs. We can do all your standard structural blocks, all your architectural units, but then we can also do your landscape products. The other nice thing about us being kind of one of those smaller facilities, everything's local, all in Flagstaff. The versatility is kind of endless. We're gonna just take a little bit of time right now. We're gonna kind of walk through production of block. Making block is kind of like making a batch of cookies. So up top here is our ingredients, and our ingredients happen to be different aggregates and sands that we get locally here in Flagstaff. And then we've got some cements that come into our silos. All of that basically goes into a big mixer, kind of like your KitchenAid at home. Mix it all up, and then we get ready to start cutting some cookies. So at this point, guys, we've had our batch. Our batch has come through. It shakes inside of a mold box right here, which is a glorified cookie cutter. Then a head comes down and presses into that mold box, and we make block. And from there, the block come down onto a conveyor, and they start getting loaded up onto one of our racks here. Production employee is gonna come in with a forklift, pick this up, take it back into our ovens. We cook them at 120 degrees, whole process about 8 hours. And then as the forklift's back in their ovens, they're going to grab product that was made yesterday and cooked yesterday, bring it back out, and this is the stuff we're gonna start to yard and send through our material handling. And it'll come down onto our pusher over here. This block then comes down a set of gravity rollers. From there, we have a production employee sorting the product, so checking for anything that doesn't meet our quality standard. Anything of that, they pull off, everything else, and it gets palletized to a block pallet. And then a forklift will grab that product and they'll set it out into our yard, where we like to see it sit for 2 weeks up to a month to get to its full strength. So from our stock yard, our landscape yard, our custom masonry, that helps us serve not only the do-it-yourself homeowners, landscapers, but also the masons out there as well. Everyone can come in, we sell directly, come see us. That's us, that's Blocklite.